Probably what I enjoyed most is that we have coaches looking after each group. So I think that's really good because they can really point out your technique and like where you need to improve and things like that. So I think that helps so that you're like doing the exercise the right way.
All the coaches are very friendly and they understand what they're talking about. And it's great because it's quite informative and very well versed in what they're doing and helping us to grow.
I think the community around everything, I think that's the biggest part about Habitat Gym, right, is the community part of it. And so having someone to be there to push you, but also feel the support is, I think, what helps a person really grow and also do better in the gym as well.
I enjoyed learning about the breathing techniques, to be honest. I never thought it was that important kind of thing, and it actually made a difference with the proper breathing and bracing techniques.
I like the one-on-one coaching, like in the small groups, because it kind of combated my anxiety a bit, especially if I don't know what to do.